Hello everyone, welcome to 31st episode of our Green Regimen series. Today, we delve into the incredible benefits of black beans, scientifically known as glycine max, L. Mayer, the black seeds of the soybean plant within the legume family. Black beans boast an impressive 36% protein content, aiding in meeting the body's protein requirements with a fat content of 16%, primarily comprising unsaturated fatty acids with an absorption rate of up to 95%. They not only fulfill our fat needs but also help in reducing cholesterol levels in the blood, rich in vitamins, lecithin, melanin, and other compounds. Black beans offer nutritional support, potentially aiding in cancer prevention, regulating the immune system, and providing essential trace elements. These elements are vital for reducing cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease, combating free radicals, slowing down the aging process, regulating lipoproteins, preventing and treating lipid disorders, improving anemia, and meeting the brain's requirements for macronutrients. Taste and nature: sweet, mild, non-toxic. Effects: balances the middle, removes dampness, detoxifies, relieves exterior syndromes, nourishes, and stops sweating. Aids in treating fever due to exogenous factors, wind, cold, dampness, impediment, body weakness with spontaneous sweating, night sweats, edema, recovery after illness, and externally used to treat infant eczema and dermatitis. Here are some dietary suggestions. For fever during a cold, consume 10 grams of black soybean roll, 6 grams each of Chinese chaste tree, Saponicolia root, and perilla leaf, decocted in water for consumption. For postpartum wind pain in women, wind, cold, dampness, impediment, and muscular cramps, take black bean wine. Consume half a cup each time, 2 to 3 times a day. Preparation: roast black beans until semi-charred. Soak them in yellow wine. Filter the residue to obtain black bean wine. For body weakness with spontaneous or night sweats, use 10 grams of black bean husks and 10 grams of floating barley, decocted for consumption. For edema, boil 250 grams of black soybeans in 1000 milliliters of water. Add 500 milliliters of yellow wine when halfway done, then drink after further reduction. For slow recovery after illness, weakness, spontaneous or night sweats, decoct 15 grams of black beans, 30 grams of floating barley, and 30 grams of astragalus root twice a day. As always, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching.